How much time do you waste every day just clicking around Excel? Looking for save, filter, like it's a game of ribbon hide and seek. And those clicks add up, hundreds a day. That's time you could spend sipping coffee or solving actual problems. When you're deep in data, the last thing you want is to chase down filter or clear filter every single time. And emailing a file? It's a click maze that could have been a single tap. Welcome to Accelerate, where we turn everyday Excel into everyday efficiency. Today, you'll learn how to customize the toolbar, create a clean layout, and use fast shortcuts with the Quick Access Toolbar, your personal control panel for smarter Excel work. The Quick Access Toolbar is a small, customizable strip that sits below or above the ribbon and stays with you no matter what tab you're on. It's designed for one thing: less clicking, more doing. Instead of navigating through 5 tabs to find one button, you pin your most used tools and keep them where they belong, always visible, always ready. Click the small drop-down arrow on the Quick Access Toolbar and start adding your essentials: save, undo, or email if it's part of your daily routine. Now it's just one click to email your file. No more file share email dance. Want more than the basics? Another way, if you know where a command lives, like duplicate values under conditional formatting, just right-click it and choose Add to Quick Access Toolbar. One click, done, command secured. If filter or clear filter are tools you use constantly, why are they hiding in the ribbon? Add them the same way. Right-click, Add, done. Need even more? Click More Commands to open Excel's command library. It starts with popular commands, but if what you need isn't there, switch to All Commands. Yes, all of them. Say you're looking for the Pivot Table button. Search, add it, and boom, pivoting just got quicker. Click a command, hit Add, or double-click if you're efficient like that. Here's what's in my personal Quick Access Toolbar lineup. Save, undo and redo, because mistakes happen. Text to columns, for when data arrives in chaos and needs structure. Conditional formatting for duplicates. Spot repeated values instantly. Clear rules from selected cells. Clean up formatting fast. Email. One click and Outlook opens with your file attached. Filter and clear filter. Absolute musts when working with tables. New window. Open the same file twice. Perfect for working across multiple monitors. All my everyday tools, always exactly where I need them. And what are your favorite commands? Let me know in the comments below. The Quick Access Toolbar can live above or below the ribbon. That's your call. Keeping it above saves screen space. Perfect for laptops and smaller monitors. Putting it below, which I personally prefer, gives you faster access, less eye travel, and lets you show command labels. Just right-click right-pointing arrow Show Command Labels, and now you can actually see what each icon does. Want to reorganize the toolbar? Easy. Click the drop-down, choose More Commands, and in the right panel, select a command. Use the up or down arrows to move it. I like filter and clear filter side by side, so I place them together. It takes seconds and saves you time every day. If your toolbar's getting crowded, it's time for a quick cleanup. Because if you're wasting time trying to find the command you actually need, the whole point of the toolbar is lost. Just right-click on any command you no longer use and select Remove from Quick Access Toolbar. That's it, gone. Bonus for keyboard shortcut fans. Alt plus number of a command. Press Alt and Excel will show numbers above each Quick Access command. For example, in my Quick Access toolbar, email is number 9. Just press Alt plus 9 and an Outlook email with your file attached opens instantly. And that's your Quick Access toolbar, customized, organized, and finally working for you. If this saved you time and clicks, give it a like and subscribe to Accelerate, practical Excel tips that actually save time. More on the way.